Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim the tokens that you didn't spend in the Dreamlight cinematic event in Heartopia. If you go to your watch and if you go to your mailbox, you'll see out of season item reclaimed. Dear DG member, the town festival Dreamlight Cinematics has concluded. Unused festival token have been reclaimed by the guild and corresponding compensation has been issued. Please check and you'll get the tokens that you didn't spend. I didn't spend a lot because honestly, there weren't many items that I needed, and I had a lot of tokens to spare. So, that is how you can claim it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.